Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. Hey, Eric's got this pretty cool red Dodge. Drove up here from Austin, and we've been monkeying around with it for about, well, almost 4 hours. It's on a Saturday, April the 5th. It rained all night. We're out here basically mud bogging stuff out here in the mud. But I just wanted to show some people about the splines being, the shafts being engaged and disengaged. And I tell people all the time that most normal guys, if they've done a brake change or rotor change or whatever, this is well within their skills. And like I said, 3 to 4 hours, normal gang. But here we go, we've got our hubs mounted up. And as you can see, they're in free speed mode, free spin. So basically we're driving around with a 2-wheel drive pickup, which basically everybody does for 99.99999%. And here we're gonna go to lock mode. Now, we've got our shafts locked in, and they're spinning full-wheel drive, and now we'll go back to free. Takes just a couple rotations. There you go. Now we're back in free spin mode, so driving around with a 2-wheel drive. So there you go, my friends. That's just all I wanted to show you. So typical installations, 2 to 4 hours. You don't need a shop. You don't need to spend a lot of money. We did this for Eric. We did this install for $300. Cool guy. Great client. Anyway, God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Bye.